Ever since I was a kid, I've dreamed of watching the FIFA World Cup live inside Apex Stadium, feeling the energy of thousands of passionate fans. So let's go ahead and check out Flova AI, and let me show you the step-by-step tutorial on the things that Flova AI is excellent in. Okay, so this is Flova AI, guys. Let's put in the prompt. So I actually created this one, and then I, checked out ChatGPT. So it's a hyper-realistic, single continuous cinematic shot. Okay, so that is my complete prompt, guys. As you can see, it's very, very specific. Let's go ahead and choose Dance 2.0 for this. I'm going to upload my image. Anything from there. Okay, so it's going to use my own image in generating this video. Okay, so it's uploading now. There you go. So all set, guys. Let's go ahead and generate. Okay, so one thing that I love about Flova AI, guys, is that you will be able to see on the left side. Look at that. The right side is the chat, okay? Now, on the left side, you will see the storyboard, the key elements of storyboard, and the audio layer. So it's basically giving you the chance to, order the sorted media, or you could also choose the canvas out there at the bottom. Okay, so you could select from two of them from the bottom left of your screen, guys. Okay, so on the right side, it is actually going to tell you and update you with, what the AI is already doing. So looks like it is now done. Let's check out how awesome this is. All right, so let's break this down, shall we? So looking at this one, guys, look at the quality. You have that very cinematic look, very well color corrected. The color grading superb. And look at the remote and the popcorn and the books, okay? So as I transition to being sucked in that television, watch this. All of the ones that are on the table are sucked inside as well. So that level of detail. Bam. I mean, look at that. See? Bam. Messi! Absolute. Look at my features. Look at my features. I mean, here at the part where I was in the stadium already, look at this. Okay. See, that's actually me. Even the audio, even the crowd cheering, even the commentators. So let's get this done and finished. Messi! Absolute genius! Okay, so I want to make some edits, and based from the previously generated clip, I want to click on the media, and then it's going to be, put on the chat box. So for this clip, I want a dramatic low angle shot panning 180 degrees in front, facing the male content creator. So it's gonna be like a sci-fi movie. Let's do that. All right, so now it's all set, guys. Let me show you again the first one that we generated. Now, this is already awesome for me. Damn, look at that. Oh my goodness. Messi! Absolute genius! Okay, so that's the first one. Now let me show you the second one. Looks like a sci-fi, man. Nice. All right, look at that. I mean, that is awesome because you could actually do your edits from, from the first video that it generated. You could add the chat, and then you could adjust the angles according to whatever you like. Messi! Absolute genius! Genius! So guys, that is Flova AI. Very, very powerful. I would suggest that you go ahead and check them out. Check their website. Link to this will be in the description of the video and on the pinned comments as well. That way, it will take you directly to the legitimate website. And let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to consider subscribing. That way, you will not miss out on any of the new updates that I will make in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.